Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the name of the organ used by an octopus to cling to surfaces? Is it A. Tentacles, B. Grippers, C. Pads, or D. Suckers? The answer is D. Suckers.
Octopuses use their suckers not just for clinging but also for tasting. Each sucker contains chemoreceptors that help the octopus explore and interact with its environment. These amazing creatures can even taste what they touch, making their suckers a versatile and fascinating organ.
Question 2. What color is Sonic the Hedgehog? Is it A. Blue, B. Purple, C. Red, or D. Yellow? The answer is A. Blue.
Sonic the Hedgehog's iconic blue color was actually chosen to match the blue of Sega's logo. The decision was made by Naoto Oshima, the character's original designer, who wanted Sonic to represent peace and trustworthiness. This choice not only gave Sonic his signature look but also tied him closely to the company he represents.
Question 3. Which spider devours its partner after mating? Is it A. Tarantula, B. Crab spider, C. Jumping spider, or D. Black widow? The answer is D. Black widow.
Female black widow spiders are known for their notorious behavior of consuming their male partners after mating. This act, known as sexual cannibalism, may seem brutal, but it actually serves a purpose in ensuring the female's survival and providing her with essential nutrients to produce healthier offspring. Nature can be both fascinating and ruthless.
Question 4. What is the name for a great wave resulting from an earthquake? Is it A. Overflow, B. Tsunami, C. Kahuna, or D. Grand Massif? The answer is B. Tsunami.
Tsunamis can travel across entire oceans at speeds up to 500 miles per hour, but in deep water, they may go unnoticed as the wave height is often less than a foot. It's only when they reach shallow coastal areas that their immense power is unleashed, causing devastating destruction.
Question 5. What is the name for a hot spring that shoots steam into the air? Is it A. Jetsam, B. Volcano, C. Geotherm, or D. Geyser? The answer is D. Geyser.
The word geyser originates from the Icelandic term geyser, which means to gush. The Great Geyser in Iceland is one of the most famous geysers in the world, erupting scalding water up to 70 meters high. Interestingly, not all hot springs that shoot steam are technically geysers, they must have intermittent eruptions to be classified as such.
Question 6. What is algology the study of? Is it A. Algae, B. Alcohol, C. Algorithms, or D. Algeria? The answer is A. Algae.
Did you know that algae, the subject of algology, are not just slimy pond scum? They are incredibly diverse organisms found in various habitats worldwide, from oceans to snowfields. Some types of algae are even used as biofuels and food sources. Algology reveals the fascinating world of these often overlooked but essential organisms.
Question 7. What is vexillology the study of? Is it A. Flags, B. God, C. Languages, or D. Spiders? The answer is A. Flags.
Vexillology, the study of flags, goes beyond just identifying colors and patterns. It delves into the symbolism and history behind each flag design. Did you know that the study of flags can reveal insights into a country's culture, politics, and values? It's like unraveling a colorful tapestry of national identity.
Question 8. What is the second smallest planet in the solar system? Is it A. Jupiter, B. Venus, C. Earth, or D. Mars? The answer is D. Mars.
Mars, the second smallest planet in our solar system, is home to the tallest volcano known in the entire solar system. Olympus Mons on Mars stands at a staggering height of about 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers, making it nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest on Earth. Imagine climbing that!
As we bid adieu, remember, in the world of science and nature, curiosity is your best companion. Keep exploring, stay curious, and let knowledge bloom like a flower. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.